this endless cycle. Silent whispers in the wind, fading echoes of denial. Shadows stretch across the field, memories I can't conceal. Loneliness, my shield and sword, broken dreams I can't afford. Cry out into the void of the night, tear apart the silence tight. Loneliness, my shield and sword, broken dreams I can't afford. Cry out into the void of the night, tear apart the silence tight. Rise above the stormy sea, feel the pain and set it free. Footsteps on this empty road, heart a heavy aching load. Stars are hidden from my eyes, chasing phantoms in disguise. Rain falls where the darkness hides, washing away truth and lies. Find me where the rivers meet, in the solace of defeat. Cry out into the void of the night, tear apart the silence tight. Loneliness, my shield and sword, broken dreams I can't afford. Free.
Oh, dear. We continue to watch Victor Leo, the report to silence tight. Rise above the stormy sea, feel the pain and set it free.
Cry out into the void